Hello everyone, rayodaniel here. I wanted to create this video to address a question and some comments that I often get from people, just to kind of put it out there, just to make sure that everybody knows. I am a disabled American veteran. When I moved my arm, I lost my right arm above the elbow in a truck accident while I was serving in the U.S. Army in the first Gulf War era. So anyway, I just want to sit back out there and put it out there. I get a lot of people just saying, I talk with my hand a lot and they don't see this. Sometimes they see this. They kind of send me a message saying, hey, is that a video problem? I think you might have a problem with your video. It looks like your right arm is gone, and just things like that. And I just simply wanted to put it out there. Yes, I am disabled. I still do have my legs, just missing my right arm, but I'm still able to function. And I'm able to run and educate everybody on my YouTube channel. I am a GoHighLevel affiliate. So right now I would appreciate it if you guys are looking to sign up for GoHighLevel, or if you're interested in upgrading to the Agency Pro, that you use my affiliate link in the description. You do get, if you're signing up, you get a 30-day free trial. And I have a ton of bonuses, ton of other stuff, besides the stuff I give out to the public to help with your success inside of GoHighLevel. So thanks so much. I wanted to create this quick video to let you know this is me, this is who I am, and it's not an illusion. I am missing my right arm. So anyway, hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.